Hello and welcome to my video. In this video I am sharing an update with trying to get the estate keeper running. I have made a major breakthrough. I have spark. Watch this. Yeah. So now I'm ready to start it, at least on some kind of starting fluid, and see if I at least have enough compression. But I believe I have it running. This should be it. So, to share, what ended up happening was my points were corroded, and I did not want to go through the procedure of replacing it. I thought if it's broke, I'm just going to go to electronic ignition. But this turned out to be really easy, because when I hear points, I'm thinking that I got to dismantle most of the engine. But it looks like in this one, there is a little box right here. And I'm sure everybody else knows this, but this is new to me. And inside of this box is the points and condenser. So, for those following along, this little arm right here comes out, if you can see it opening up. And what happened was that the contacts in between there were corroded, and it wasn't making a spark. So what I ended up doing was I stole an old nail file from the wife, and I know this is wrong. I know that you're not supposed to use a nail file, but this thing wasn't working at all, and I don't even know if the motor is good. So before I start throwing parts at it, I at least wanted to prove that something works. So what I did was I took this nail file and I hit it with a torch to soften it up, and then I rubbed it around on some other pieces of metal to kind of ruin some of the grittiness of it. So if you look, it's really not as crazy as the other pieces, like further up here. The very end of it is a lot softer. So what I did was I took this, and it's hard to do this while holding the camera, but I lifted it up and I put this in between there, and I sawed back and forth, and I kept retrying to start it and having no luck. So I'd come back and saw some more and saw some more, and then one of the times I did it, I have spark. So then I took my air gun. Grab it. I took my air gun, put it right up against here, and blew out all of the debris that was there. And sorry for this horrible lighting. Now I have spark. So I'm going to put this back together, and I'm going to then see if I can get it to fire up. More to come.